Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get updates on my latest videos. Today I am going to talk about some impressive benefits of rosemary essential oil. Ancient Greek and Romans have known about this secret and have reaped the health benefits of rosemary oil. Rosemary is usually used as it is or as essential oils. Rosemary leaves are known to have certain phytochemical compounds that have disease prevention and health promoting properties. Rosemary essential oil is rich in antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, rosmarinic acid, and anti-cancer properties. There's also a small amount of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate, and minerals in rosemary include calcium, iron, and magnesium and manganese. Now I am going to discuss about 5 benefits of rosemary essential oil. Relieves muscle that joint pains. Rosemary oil has anti-spasmodic and anti-inflammatory properties which work like magic when it comes to relieving joint pains and soreness of muscles. How to use? Take a couple of drops of rosemary oil, combine it with a few drops of peppermint oil and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Massage gently for a few minutes with this concoction on the problem areas to relieve the pain. Boost immunity system. Brimming with antifungal and antibacterial properties, the aromatherapy of rosemary essential oil can help boost the immune system and combat diseases associated with chronic health problems, which could range from a common cold to heart diseases. How to use? Combine a few drops of rosemary oil with any carrier oil such as coconut oil. Start massaging from your arms and massage up to the lymph nodes in your armpits. Then down to your neck and chest and relax. A bath with added rosemary oil also helps in boosting your immune system by reducing your stress levels. Respiratory problems. Rosemary oil is flooded with antibacterial properties that treat a host of respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, and nasal congestion from a common cold and flu. Anti-spasmodic qualities of rosemary oil are also beneficial in treating bronchitis and asthma. How to use? You can either add a few drops of rosemary oil in your room diffuser or you can take steam with a few added drops of rosemary oil. Reduce acne and fight signs of aging. Application of rosemary oil on the face has been known to reduce the inflammation caused by acne due to its antibacterial qualities. But wait, there's more. It helps to reduce under eye puffiness and also improves circulation, giving you healthy and glowing skin. It also helps fight sun damage and signs of aging. Hair growth. Rosemary oil is a godsend for people with thinning hair. It helps boost their growth and thickening of hair as it nourishes hair follicles. How to use? Combine a few drops of rosemary oil, a tablespoon of castor oil, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Massage this combination of oils into your hair gently for a few minutes and see amazing result. Side effect of rosemary essential oils. Rosemary oils is volatile and therefore it can also cause vomiting, spasm, and coma. Women who are breastfeeding and pregnant women should not use this oil because it can negatively affect the fetus and can also result in a miscarriage. People with high blood pressure, ulcers, Crohn's diseases, or ulcerative colitis should not use rosemary oil. You can visit my blog to read more about self-care and beauty tips blog post. Link in the description box and also visit my Amazon store link in the description box.